Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show to use MoneyRobot SEO tool. Here you can go and type MoneyRobot, then open this website. Scroll down. Now you can easily create your account. Here you can check the pricing. If you want to create backlinks, then you can use this software. Here you can add your website link, you can add your YouTube videos link, and then add some keywords here. For example, let me go here and copy a video link, this one, and here I can add some keywords. For example, build jewelry website, WordPress. Then let me right click and then click on start building in just a second. Here you can add your campaign name. For example, let me change it. Okay, this one has started running. You can also go and change anything. You can change URL, keywords, and description of your campaign. Now let me show you. I have started this tool yesterday. Here you can see these are the two campaigns that are running. Now we can view these backlinks. I can copy this link and then open this website, scroll down. Here you can see this one is the link. So you can use this tool and platform to create any type of backlinks. So you can easily do off-page SEO without any skills.